everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster video. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this 2016 Chevy Tahoe. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. If you have any more questions, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out a wide list of applications to see which Sprint Booster is right for your car. So the first step in your Sprint Booster install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with the door open. Wait another 10 minutes, that way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you'll see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and plug the Sprint Booster in line. Next, plug your controller into the Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure you check on the back that it's on the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. The Sprint Booster has 36 unique modes, including valet mode and pedal lock mode, which limit your throttle pedal output so that in case anybody were to take your car out, they can't rev it out all the way, and it gives you a little bit more security with your Sprint Booster. The Sprint Booster also has 9 unique modes in sport mode and another 9 unique modes in race mode. So you can really fine-tune your pedal feel to what feels the best for you and your car. Alright everybody, well that's it. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you have any questions, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com where you can check out a wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your car. If you enjoyed what you saw here, give us a like and let us know in the comments what other cars you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks, have a great day guys. Bye.